Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm speaking a little bit quietly because it's 12:40 a.m. and I have just checked into my hotel at Athens Airport. It is the Sofitel. It is literally walkable, like you just cross a little street. It's like a minute walk from the airport, which is fantastic. I am staying here because I had a very late arrival flight, and then I have to get up and out to my activities early in the morning tomorrow, so seemed like the perfect crash pad for the evening. So in this review, I'm going to share with you what my experience is like staying here. I can't wait to climb into bed. So is the room comfortable? Is it quiet? What's the breakfast or coffee experience like in the morning? I didn't include breakfast in my room rating, but I think there's some a la carte options in the morning. So waffling aside, let's go do a room tour. All right, so I am in room number 637. It was a little bit of a walk to get here, but not terrible. So this is what you see when you come in. We're gonna walk straight in and show you the bulk of the room. It's a really sizable room. I booked the room with, I think, 2 twin beds, honestly, just because I'm here for one night and it was the cheapest option, but this is a massive bed of 2 twin beds pushed together, so it looks super cozy. And like the other Sofitel that I stayed at Heathrow Airport, which I can leave linked down below, the lighting in this room is just really lovely and cozy. Very simple kind of white neutral decor. So panning on over here, we've got a flat screen TV and we got a coffee and tea making area, a little desk vanity area over here, but let's get a little closer into it. So starting on this side, we actually do have in-room temperature, although nothing is turned on, so I need to do that. Would like a little bit cooler in here. We've got just a kind of nightstand on the side, really super old school phone. For plugs, because people always love to know about this, we've got EU plugs and a USB, which is a far improvement from the one at Heathrow that had no bedside plugs. And then on this side, we've just got some little, oh sorry, I don't know why my camera's not focusing. This is just some hotel stationery, I believe, over here. And we also do have some jazzy reading lights by the bed. Then panning over here, right behind me, we've got my stuff. Even took my shoes off, guys. We've got some more bits for the internet and plugs over here. And is this the, yes, okay, so I think this is the TV remote, and can you, nope, I think it's pretty much stuck and attached to the wall. Well, that's a first, given that, wonder if that even turns the TV on over there. Oh, maybe it's just chargeable, so you can leave it in there charging and take it out. We'll give that, let's see. Okay, we've taken it out. Does it work? Okay, so it's just a charging thing. It's not stuck to the wall. All right, that was a bit of a random one. All right, and then moving over here, well, now I've turned the TV on so you can see that. Moving over here, we've got that coffee and tea station that I mentioned. So what are they giving us in here? Okay, so this looks like some Greek milk. We've got some tea, so your classic English breakfast tea, green tea, juicy forest tea. Ooh, Earl Grey, so definitely gonna steal some of those. We've got some just Nescafe, decaf, and regular, so yeah. Ooh, looks like something that maybe has a frappe with it, I don't know. Anywho, and then on this side of the bed, oh, I forgot to even mention there was a water bottle. So there's water bottles on the bedside tables, which is a nice touch. Although interestingly, this side of the bed doesn't have any plugs. It just has, I guess only one side of the bed can charge their devices, which is not the best. But hey, it's just me, so I can be selfish. And then over here, this actually is a window that, oof. So I think this is your blackout curtain situation. So I'll zoom out so you can see. It's just like a little wooden slider, but then I can move in. Oof, jeez. Takes a little bit of muscle. And then do I have any sort of view situation? Yes, that is actually, that's the airport across the street and the walkway that I walked over to come here. So it just shows you, sorry for the reflection, it shows you just how close we really are to the airport, which is pretty amazing. All right, now let's go check out the bathroom. Oh, but before we do, should we check out the closet? I think so. All right. Ooh, lights turn on as you open it. Love that detail. Okay, so in here we've got full-length mirror, lots of mirrors in this room, which I guess is nice. We've got some hotel slippers down here. We've got the sewing kit, and some of the stuff for your shoe, if you want to do shoe shining and stuff while you're here. We've got an in-room safe, which I won't be using because I'm not here for long enough, but looks nice. And then, oh, another random drawer with nothing in it. All right, and then let's go check out the bathroom. All right, so what do you notice when you look at this bathroom? There is no toilet, but don't worry, there is one, and I will share with you where it is. Okay, so starting over here, we've got really gorgeous sink area, lots and lots of goodies. We know that I'm always like making a big faff over these, but body lotion, body wash. I don't think the next place I'm staying has any of this stuff, so this is all coming with me. And then we've got some soap. Oh, jeez. I don't need breaking glass things on my conscience in this channel. So we've got in here, we've got some bits like cotton buds. This is a nail file. This is a shower cap and some cotton pads. So yes, I will probably be just taking all of this with me onto my next adventure. Oh, but that thing scares me. Maybe I won't put that back on. And then down here, we've just got your towels and the hair dryer. And then the shower actually looks incredible. Oh, this is a bathtub back here. This really, like, you could have like a whole party in here. Not that that will be happening. But yeah, you've got a whole bath section here. Then I'm still standing in the shower, and yeah, overhead rain shower. So basically, you could be showering while the person that you're traveling with has a bath. Bit random, but also kind of cool. And then yeah, over here, there's just kind of the makeup mirror, and I don't know what that is, if that's like a steamer or something, but there we go. And then there is a little area for your luggage when you come in. And then this is where the toilet is. Let's see if we've got light switch. I think I need to turn it on outside. Yes. So we even have like a little private toilet room in here, which I guess is kind of nice given maybe a little bit of privacy. So, and it's just all mirrored lighting. So yeah, I've made a proper mess of the room, opening every door and turning on every light. First impressions of the hotel are super positive. I think I'm gonna be really comfortable here for one evening. I mean, how comfy do those beds look behind me? I'm just ready to take my makeup off, get ready for bed, and dive in. So I will check in with you in the morning and let you know how the rest of my stay goes. Okay, but wait, there's more. I forgot to open up these little cabinets here. So not much in the other two, but this one here is the mini fridge. So and there's a little note that reads, "Dear guest, for your own comfort, you are welcome to use the mini fridge in the room to preserve beverages or other products in a cool temperature. It is not recommended for sensitive products such as medicine or long-term food storage. In these cases, contact the front desk for assistance." So I guess you can, it has a key, so you can lock it, I guess, if you want, but ooh, it's just empty, except there's 2 more waters in there. So I'm gonna be super, super, super well hydrated on this trip. Another nice little perk. But yeah, I definitely want the cold water, that's for sure. Good morning from Athens. still at the Sofitel. I know, I'm sorry, I don't know if this lighting is good or scary, but we're gonna go with it. Just wanted to give a quick recap on last night. So had a really great sleep last night. The beds here are so comfortable. I need to show you why. So not only do they have a mattress, but they have this like squishy pillow topper thing, and oh my goodness, it is like sleeping on a heavenly cloud, and I just, game changer. So yeah, the Sofitel, if you would like to share with me where you source those pillow top, feather top, mattress toppery things, I think I need one in my life, because I think arguably this is the best, most comfortable hotel bed that I can remember sleeping in a very long time. So I'm gonna go out on a limb and say it's the best this year, at least so far. So wow, really, really, really amazing. So now I'm just putting all my stuff together. It's noon, I've got to check out, and I want to go downstairs and source some coffee, something to eat before I pick up my shuttle to my next destination. But before I do, I'm going to show you in daylight just how close this hotel is to the airport. All right, so it was kind of hard to show you last night, but I don't know if you can read the sign right there, but that literally says Athens International Airport. Welcome to the airport. So all I did last night, because I think this is the departures level on the top and the arrivals is on the bottom. So I got dropped off on the underneath level, and all I did was just literally walk across that little walkway and into the hotel entrance, which is down over here. So it says 2 minutes on their website. I mean, I don't even think it's a 1 minute walk. Really, really, really convenient if you are coming or going from the airport. All right, so as I checked out of the hotel, I made my way down to the lobby, and I definitely needed some coffee and some breakfast. And unfortunately, the hotel breakfast was already finished at this point because it was noon. I just really needed the Lion because, as mentioned, I had arrived well after midnight. So as you can imagine, I only went to bed like after 1 a.m. So yes, so I needed the Lion, and as luck would have it, the hotel has this really lovely bar space which has a bunch of dining options. And one of the dining options still on the lunch menu was an omelet. So I was able to have, I think I was able to actually customize my omelet as well. So I think I had this mushroom, bacon, and cheese omelet, which was so good. And it actually came with a side salad and French fries. I always laugh when like omelets come with French fries, but they do in a lot of European countries. So who knows why, but you know what? Wasn't hating that at noon for my kind of brunch situation. And then I also had this kind of frozen cappuccino situation. So good. So good. Really hit the spot because it was so much warmer there. Even though I sat inside, I could feel kind of the doors opening near me with like the warm breeze wafting in, my iced kind of coffee. Perfect way to start the day. So from there, I just did a bit of work, and then I went to go meet my friends after who were coming to pick me up. So wrapping up the video, would I stay at this hotel again? 100% absolutely. I think, as you saw in the video, most comfortable hotel bed that I've stayed in a long time. I really want to know who makes those mattress toppers. And the room was perfectly quiet. They allowed me to have kind of this noon time checkout, which was great. I don't think that was a special ask. I think it was just checkout was noon, but obviously always ask when you check in somewhere. And then the fact that the bar area had some breakfast options, so I wasn't forced to kind of wake up and, you know, rush to make the buffet time. Fantastic. And yeah, the location could not have been easier. You literally just walk across the road from where you come out from the terminal. So easy, super safe. You know, as a female doing that walk alone, no issues at all.
So yes, I would definitely recommend staying there if you have a flight that arrives really late to the airport, or perhaps you have a very early morning flight out of the airport. I think this would just be so convenient and worth the money. So if you have any questions at all, please leave a comment down below. If you have any other tips on the hotel or other kind of airport hotels that you would recommend my viewers look at, always leave a comment down below. Sharing is caring here on this channel. If this video was helpful to you, please hit that like button. That really helps me as a creator. And if you want to see more of my travel and lifestyle videos, please hit subscribe and join me on this wonderful YouTube journey. I have so many more great videos in store for you. So as always, thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.